Today we are in the sweetest place on earth. Hint. Hershey, Pennsylvania. And we're gonna be visiting Chocolate World, gonna do a tour of the factory, check out the largest Hershey store, and lots of shenanigans. So come along, cause we got plenty of space. Yeah. All right, y'all, let me know in the comments below. What's the size of this thing? What's your favorite? Kit Kat, Reese's Pieces, Kiss, Hershey's bars? Comment below and let me know. We're in Chocolate World right now, Hershey's Chocolate World. About to get into the dark ride. It's a little tour of the factory, show you how chocolate was made by Milton Hershey himself.
Hey everyone, welcome aboard the Hershey's Chocolate Factory Tour. For your safety, please remain seated with your hands and feet inside the vehicle at all times. We're on our way to the Hershey Chocolate Factory. Your guide will meet you at the entrance. See you inside.
Hi folks, welcome to our dairy farm, the Hershey Goodies.
Which are harvested and shipped to us from tropical regions around the world. We send the cocoa beans through large cleaning machines that screen and thoroughly remove unwanted parts like pulp and bits of cacao pod. Our cocoa experts carefully select, sort, and combine beans from various countries in precise amounts to achieve that unique and consistent Hershey's flavor.
Roasting chocolates.
Hey everyone, below me are milling machines which grind cocoa nibs into unsweetened chocolate. Cocoa nibs have been ground down like this for thousands of years. Milling machines generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction.
Hershey is one of the only companies in the world that uses fresh milk to make milk chocolate. Fresh milk is part of what gives Hershey's milk chocolate its delicious and distinctive taste. Part of my job is to make sure all of that milk meets our high-quality standards. Once it passes testing, we mix sugar into the milk using large batching tanks. We feed the chocolate milk through steel rollers that grind and refine the chocolate until it reaches a smooth, uniform consistency. Here's our friend Kiss to explain the next step in the process.
Hi everybody! These conching machines use big granite rollers to smooth and transform refined crumbs into milk chocolate. The conching process mixes and heats the chocolate, developing the rich flavor and color.
Next, we pour the milk chocolate into molds and send them on a bumpy conveyor ride. Then we send them into through cooling tunnels that solidify the chocolate. All of that fresh, delicious Hershey's chocolate goodness is finally ready to be packaged.
Like Hershey's milk chocolate, special dog box.
Hey, don't forget about Reese's peanut butter cups.
Everyone has a favorite. Mine are Hershey's Kisses chocolates.
Aw, thanks Alex. That's so sweet.
It looks like our packages are ready to go, and I better get going too. It's been a privilege being your guide today. Remember that wherever you go, you're never far from a piece of Hershey's happiness. So be sure to share that goodness with the ones you love. Thank you, everyone.
We did it, y'all. Just got off the ride. Now we come up here. I'm here with my boy Jace. He works here. Chocolate World, Hershey's.
Yeah, the free chocolate's down there, man. Come get some. It's great.
Check it out. After the ride, you get a free chocolate.
Squeeze by itself.
Hello. Here we go. Thank you. So here we are in the merch section. That's a nice hoodie. I like that. You got your peanut butter on my chocolate. You got your chocolate in my peanut butter. Scully's. That's nice. Look at that. This place is massive, I tell you. Massive. If y'all into chocolates, Hershey, Pennsylvania, Chocolate World. Right now it's around Halloween time, so everything's Halloween themed. But this place is huge, y'all. Creepy garden, y'all. Alright y'all, that concludes our visit here. Hershey, Pennsylvania at Hershey World. Hope y'all enjoyed the factory tour. Trolley's leaving. Peace out, Trolley. You can ride the trolley. They give you free chocolates. There's a tour that takes you all around Hersheypark. Tells you the story of Milton Hershey himself. And they give out chocolates while you're on the tour. So that's a pretty cool thing if y'all are interested in doing that. Maybe I'll do that for you guys on some other time. But for right now, wrapping it up right here. Hershey World. Hope you had a good time. Don't forget, like, subscribe, ding the bell, all that good stuff. Don't forget to meet new faces, see new places, and always leave a space for love. Peace.